Hi everyone, I Prabjot Singh, student of Shinti Education, welcome you on the channel Trio Respect. So in this video, we will talk about all the concept of computer networks and the topics that are required for your placement or your college exam. If you are preparing for your placements or your college exam, then these notes are very beneficial for you. Before watching this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for latest videos and updates. So now start our video. So first of all, what is a network? A network is a set of devices that are connected with the physical media link. It means, for example, your internet. Internet is also a network, or the networks of different computers connected via layer, connected via wire is also a network. Uh, and the next thing is network topology. Network topology specifies the layout of computer networks. It tells how the computers are connected or how the devices are connected with each other. And the next thing is types of network topologies, and these are the topologies. Like first is star topology, then second is ring, then third is your verse topology, then mesh topology, and then tree topology, and last is hybrid. Read about these topologies. These are very simple, you can do it by your own. Then next thing is different types of networks. These are very important during your placements, and networks can be divided on the basis of area distribution. One is PAN. PAN is personal area network. It ranges between 10 meters, for example, your computers, telephones, fax printers. Then next thing is LAN. LAN is local area network. It is used in small geographical area like your office, yeah, like your computer labs, hospitals, etc. Next thing is HAN, house area network. It is actually like a LAN, but it is used within a house for connecting the devices like your computers, phones, printers, TV, etc. The next thing is CAN. CAN is campus area network. It is a connection of devices within a campus area which links to other partners of the organization within the same campus. The next thing is MAN. MAN is Metropolitan Area Network. It is used to connect the devices within the city, and it covers a wide range of geographical area. The next thing is WAN. WAN is a wide, all the world is connected through WAN, and all the devices of the world connected through wide area network. The next thing is GAN. GAN is your global area network. Next thing is VPN. VPN is virtual private network, or it is a private network. It is a WAN built on the internet for in a private mode. It allows the creation of secure tunnel between different networks using internet, and these are the advantages of VPN. And next thing is types of VPN. One is access VPN, then it's site to site VPN, then intranet VPN, then extranet VPN. Next thing is IPv4 address. It is a IP address. It is of 32-bit, and it has 4 octant, and each octant has 4-bit value, and each number with the value up to 225, and it is classified into 5 classes. One is A, then B, then C, then D, then E. These are the ranges of IP address, where they start and where they end and where they are used. Next thing is OSI, or OSI model, and this is very important in your exam or your placement. and it has seven layers. One is physical layer, then data link layer, and these are the function of data link layer: frame synchronization, flow control, how to control the data flow within the network, and then is error control, how to crack or detect the error during the transmission of the data. Then is addressing, then is link management, and third layer is network layer. And network layer converts the logical address into physical address. These are the function of network layer. One is routing, then logical addressing, then packetizing, internetworking, fragmentation. Then is transport layer. It provides two kinds of service: connection oriented transmission, then is connectionless transmission. And then the thing is session layer. And after that presentation layer, you can do it by your own. I can provide the notes in the description box. Then is application layer enables the user to access the network, and so it is the topmost layer of OSI model. And the most widely used application protocol is HTTP, or a user send the request for the web page using HTTP. Then is your TCP reference model. It is same like your OSI model, but it has four layers, and the some layers are combined within one layer. And the layers are: one is link, then is internet, then transport, then application. And it uses two protocols: one is HTTP and the second is HTTPS. And HTTP means hypertext transport protocol, and this is with security. Then is DNS. It is very important. DNS is an acronym that stands for Domain Name System. Then it is a naming system for all the resources over the internet, which includes physical nodes and application. It is used to locate resources easily over network. How the resources are to be allocated on the network, and this is decided by DNS. And without DNS, user must know the IP address of the web page that you wanted to access. Then is working of DNS. Then is SMTP protocol. SMTP protocol. SMTP is simple mail transfer protocol. It sets the rule for the communication between servers. This set of the rules helps the software to transmit emails over the internet. It supports both end-to-end and store and forward methods. It also it always uses port number 25. Then is the difference between TCP and UDP. After that, important protocols. A protocol is a set of rules which is used to govern all the aspects of information communication. The main elements of a protocol are: one is syntax, then is semantic, then is timing. And the first protocol is DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. It is an application layer protocol used to auto-configure devices on IP networks, enabling them to use the TCP and UDP based protocols. Then is FTP, your file transport protocol. It uses 27 port wide for. Then is ICMP, Internet Control Message Protocol. It uses port number 7. Then your ARP, Address Resolution Protocol, and it converts the address from MAC to IP. Then is your RIP protocol. Then that next thing is MAC address and IP address. MAC address means media access control, and IP address is internet protocol. The main difference is MAC address is used to ensure the physical address of a computer, and the IP address are used to uniquely identify the connection of one network with the device taking part in a network. Then your firewall. Then these are the important key points that you may read while you're on. Then is hub. Then these are the devices that are used in a network: hub or switch. Then is a subnet. how to do subnetting, then a reliability, and then is node and link, then is gateway and router, then is NIC, POP, private IP address, public IP address, RAID, then your net start. It is a command line utility program. It gives useful information about the current TCP IP setting of a connection. Then your ping, and then your unicasting, anycasting, multicasting, then your broadcasting, and this is all about the notes. These are the notes that are being made by Amritwal or their team, Apna College. So I hope all the points are clear to you. I will give you the link in the description box, and you can read it. You can use your time for practice the concept, and when you read it you can easily understand all the things. So thank you and have a nice day.